I used to think saving big money was impossible on an average paycheck. I'd get paid, feel rich for 2 days, then be broke by the end of the month. It felt like everyone else had some secret to saving that I didn't. But then I got tired of the stress and decided to try something different. In 6 months, I saved $10,000. No big promotion, no lottery win, no inheritance. And I didn't have to give up everything I loved. If you feel stuck and think saving is out of reach, this video is for you. Here's the exact system I used, step by step. I thought I knew where my money was going: rent, bills, groceries. But it was the small, daily purchases that were killing my budget. So for 1 month, I tracked everything: coffee, snacks, subscriptions, even vending machine sodas. I used a free app, but a notebook works too. The point isn't to judge yourself, it's to gather data. After a week, I realized I'd spent nearly $200 on coffee and lunches. By the end of the month, the leaks were obvious: impulse buys, unused subscriptions, and convenience food. This exercise isn't about deprivation, it's about awareness. You'll spot patterns and see exactly where your money is slipping away. For me, it was food and digital subscriptions. For you, it might be something else. Do this for 30 days. Don't change your habits yet, just track. Be brutally honest. Every penny counts. Once you have the data, you have the power to change. This single habit helped me find hundreds of dollars a month to redirect to savings. It turned my vague goal into a concrete plan. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation for everything else. Ready to plug the leaks? Let's go. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to cut the silent budget killers. Start with subscriptions and memberships. Cancel anything you don't use. I found streaming services, apps, and magazines I'd forgotten about. Over $50 a month gone. Next, tackle your big bills. Call your cell, internet, and insurance providers. Ask for discounts or shop around. I saved $75 a month in one afternoon. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. No more wasted money on penalties. Groceries were another leak for me. I switched to one big shop a week with a strict list. That alone saved me $200 a month. These aren't one-time savings. They add up every month. Every subscription you cancel, every bill you negotiate, every fee you avoid is money back in your pocket. By plugging these leaks, I found an extra $300, $400 a month. This wasn't about earning more. It was about keeping what I already had. The key is to be ruthless with expenses that don't add value. Don't be afraid to make a few uncomfortable calls. It's worth it. Automate what you can and plan your shopping. Small changes here create big results over time. This is how you stop the bleeding and start building real savings. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you keep. Let's make your money work for you. Here's the game changer. Pay yourself first. Most people save what's left at the end of the month, usually nothing. Instead, treat your savings like a bill. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically transfer a set amount to savings. I set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account at a different bank. No debit card, no easy access. This friction made it harder to dip into my savings for non-emergencies. Out of sight, out of mind. Your brain adjusts to the new normal, and you learn to live on what's left. Automation removes willpower from the equation. I was saving $800 a month without thinking about it. That's $4,800 in 6 months, just from this one habit. The previous steps found the money. This step made sure I kept it. Set it up once and let it run in the background. This is the engine that drives your savings forward. Make saving automatic and watch your balance grow. Once you've optimized spending, it's time to boost your income without burning out. Start by selling stuff you don't need. I made $1,000 in a few months selling old electronics, books, and clothes. Next, use your skills for quick gigs. Writing, design, tutoring, dog walking, whatever you're good at. I did simple graphic design projects on Fiverr, earning an extra $200, $300 a month. The rule: all side income goes straight to savings, not your checking account. This prevents lifestyle inflation and accelerates your progress. Even $50, $100 a week adds up fast. You don't need a second job, just a few hours a week doing what you already know. Be intentional with every extra dollar. Combine this with your spending cuts, and the path to $10,000 becomes clear. It's not about one big change. It's about stacking small wins. Sell, hustle, save, repeat. Every bit counts. Make your money work harder for you. Let's keep the momentum going. I drew a giant thermometer on poster board, marking off every $500 up to $10,000. Every time I saved, I colored in more of the chart. It sounds simple, but seeing that red line rise was incredibly motivating. On tough days, it reminded me why I was doing this. Celebrate small milestones. $1,000, $5,000, halfway there. Break your big goal into smaller chunks to stay motivated. Use any visual you like, a jar, a chart, a picture of your goal. The key is to see your progress every day. It turns saving from a chore into a challenge. Visual cues keep your why front and center. Don't underestimate this step. It's the fuel that keeps you going. Make your progress real and you'll stick with it. Next, avoid the comparison trap. Social media highlights aren't real life. Focus on your own progress, not someone else's vacation photos. Don't dip into savings for non-emergencies. Define what a real emergency is and stick to it. Beware the all or nothing mindset. One mistake doesn't ruin your progress. Just get back on track. The first $1,000 is the hardest. Trust the process. Momentum builds over time. Don't cut out all joy. Spend on what matters to you. Cut ruthlessly elsewhere. This isn't about deprivation. It's about intentional choices. Anticipate setbacks and plan for them. Persistence and self-compassion are your best tools. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. Celebrate progress, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Protect your savings from impulse decisions. Stay focused on your goal, not distractions. Allocate, don't deprive. You're building a better future, one step at a time. Let's finish strong. That's the playbook. No secrets, just action. Track your spending, cut the leaks, pay yourself first, boost your income, and keep yourself motivated. Now pick one thing to do today. Download a budgeting app, cancel a subscription, or sell something you don't need. The first step is the most important. This system changed my life, and it can change yours. If you found this helpful, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money hacks. Next week, I'll show you how to invest your first $50, even if you've never invested before. Thanks for watching Financial Care, where we aim to improve your personal finance. See you in the next one.